You are going to love the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power lift gate, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.